Hey guys, you most welcome back to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Now here comes in, I've brought for you guys a new platform for online payments. Now on this platform, you'll be in a position to have the following. You get is that online payment, a gateway in basically in Uganda, and it's having the following activities majorly in. Roughly we have mobile money, debit card and credit card, M-Pesa and others, what API and the rest. Now here comes in to start using up our API. It's too simple. It's too simple to use this API. Very simple. So just go to the developer and then you'll be in a position to access the developer or the API document, which is definitely straightforward to come up with. Good. So here takes you to this part where we have the following. We have This is the introduction to the API, which is a range of services that makes it possible for you to send and receive money in Uganda, pay bills, utilities in Uganda instantly, mobile money. So when definitely to click there, it'll take you to the part where you'll be in position definitely to now get started with it. So majorly this is the Johnson Data API, which you can see. So this takes you to the end point where you'll be in a position to start up your API. So this is what you pass in, just a simple Johnson data, which is straightforward. And this is just where you put a callback on your website, and which will be in position to start receiving our payments. So this API is straightforward and is very easy to use. You get? So well, when you also try to look onto this, being a Johnson data, just make sure you have Postman on your PC and make sure you create an account with them. So for example, you to create account, you just go to create account here, and when you do so, it takes just three payment as your full name, your email and password. Just simple as that. You get? So when you try to give in, you have your email address and then password. Then when you come into login, simple as this, whereby I expect you to have this. So definitely, let me show you on my side. I already have a simple account, which is very simple to create. And let me just try to log into my account. And then definitely, you can always see your password. You can always, check for it. So it's so straightforward, which I believe you guys easy to access. Now, also on the other way around, when you try to come in, takes you direct to the dashboard, which will be in a position to see what you really have and how you've been having your transactions. So these are previous transactions that I made. I also have a withdraw. So it has got a lot of features in here. We also have the customers where buy me coffee, customers and direct customers. So let me just explain this shortly. When you log into your account, by default will be not activated. So you'll just request those guys to activate you, or you just create an account. They'll get an email, which then I believe they'll be in a position to activate you. So their dashboard is so simple, straightforward, and very easy to use. So I believe it's going to be easy experience for you guys. And for any of you guys who find this video interesting and you're in Uganda, you can definitely comment down on my video, and then I will be in a position to access you, or maybe try to give you a hand on how best you can have this with you. Now when you go back down here, when just after creating account they've already verified you, they have buy me coffee. This buy me coffee is a method in which you can use to collect payments from different people. So these are some of the amount of money maybe I've been receiving from several people who want to buy me coffee. So how do you set it? You just go to collect payments and you click on buy me coffee link. So when you have that, I already created my account, so you can definitely just click here and you copy it. So this buy me coffee, when you click here and try to share this link to several people, just like you see PayPal or maybe buy me coffee, that would be important to give somebody a chance to send you some money or maybe deposit you. So this is just a link you can even put on your TikTok, you can put on anywhere in your online services. If you make videos, YouTube and the rest, you can just create this and have this online on your platform, and then you'll be in a position to have it integrated for online payments. Okay. So this is where you put the money, and then this is where you select the payment options or the payment gateway. where people will be in a position to make payments to you. So, for example, when I come in here, that's the country. Just put maybe 2000. Go to Airtel, put the number. So when you come in, try to make sure that you click on the submit button. Definitely generates for you one on as a payment link. No, so it just makes a pop-up direct on your phone. Pop. I've already got a pop-up on my phone, which last takes me to payments. So that's very simple, straightforward. So you guys, whoever is finding it interesting, you'll do that. So this takes you to that screen, and then when you come back here, still you realize that if at all the payment succeeds, you get it. Okay, if you also want to go to buy me coffee, you should see that payment of 2000 by default has failed because I didn't complete the payment transaction. That's why it has failed. But otherwise, you would be in position to, if it is in process, if it is failed, you get on my side is failed because I cancelled. I didn't complete up the payment, and it definitely generates for you that payment reference and transaction ID and the rest. So guys, that's it for now. On the other way around, it has also got a lot of stuffs like top up wallet, which when you click there, you're just actually in position to make a top up, or maybe you can make account top up, which is that. It has also got different features like share wallet to wallet, buy me coffee, like I've said to you, buy me coffee customers, withdrawals, withdraw history, transfer history, wallet to wallet history. It has also got the part for report, like deposit report and withdraw report. So this is also something very important. And then talk of the API documentation, which is definitely this part of here. So this was like just maybe a deposit whereby here we just tracking the secret key, we also pass in the currency, the phone, the amount, the email, the reference of transaction reference, then the callback, which you have to set on your end. Then on the other way around, it has also got something called maybe reminder. This is the Johnson data, so you also pass the authorization token as a header. I will definitely get a time and I walk you guys through on how you can definitely do this. Whoever is interested, please comment down on my video description and we'll be in position to help you out on how to do integration with these people. Then also for their deposit, when it has failed, it actually returns if at all it already exists. So they tend to handle only two conditions, either that succeeded or failed. That's for successful transaction. And here this is for deposit callback failure, which tends to bring for you that even with the rating in which they're giving you the API. So something like that. So guys, whoever is interested to have this video, sorry, who is interested in using Gosente API, it's also straightforward, and I believe it is something that I believe you can come up with if maybe you need to have something to relate to that. So that's it for now. If you're interested to know anything about OP or Gosent API, please feel free to inbox me. I can always give you a hand. Yeah. And then maybe on the other way around still, if I go back on my login, I can as well walk you through a little bit on part of, they've got also part for where you can always do some settings. So I'll just create a some demo account with them, and I think maybe they'll verify me. And I'll walk you through some things. When you go here on my profile, realize that I can always update my photo, and then I'm seeing a sandbox. Maybe you can actually go to down on settings. There's something called API keys. So this API keys are actually very fine. It's open. They give you the authorization token as you can see on top, and also the API key, which they are down. Which if you tend to copy, you'll definitely be in a position to share your API, means to start receiving payment. So this is the secret key. Someone definitely get to start receiving payment. You get? Yes. For someone to start receiving payment. You get? You just check something, check something. Yeah. For someone to start receiving payment. So that's it. So you find that is too straightforward. So for them is a straightforward stuff. So if they give you a complete collections here, which will be in position to pass in, and then will be in position to now start receiving a payment. So for any case of anything, please feel free to reach back to me. Thank you.